If you were to imagine the universe as a grand symphony, what would be the fundamental notes that compose this music? In Eastern wisdom, the answer is 5 foundational forms of energy. We call them the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. They are the DNA of all creation, and the key to whether the energy in your home is in harmony or not. The 5 elements do not refer to literal wood or flames, but to 5 dynamic phases or processes of energy. They have 2 primary relationships with each other. The first is the generating cycle, like a mother and a child. Wood feeds fire, fire creates earth, earth bears. Metal carries water, and water nourishes wood. This is a cycle of creation and nourishment. The second is the controlling cycle, like checks and balances. Wood parts earth, earth dams water, water extinguishes. Fire melts metal, and metal cuts wood. This is a cycle of control and balance. Neither cycle is good or bad. Together, they form the dynamic, balanced dance of the universe. In your home, the wisdom of the 5 elements is everywhere, especially in colors, materials, and shapes. For example, your kitchen is the home of the fire element. If there is too much red, the fire energy can be overwhelming, making people agitated. In this case, you can add some metal utensils to exhaust fire's strengths, or use a blue mat water to balance the fire's energy. Or consider your study, which represents the wood element of growth and creativity. Placing a small water feature, water can nourish wood's growth, but too many metal objects might weaken your creative energy. Understanding the 5 elements is like learning the language to communicate with the universe's energy. It allows you to be more than just an observer you become an energy artist who can create harmony and balance. In our next episode, we will apply the wisdom of the 5 elements to one of the most powerful tools in Feng Shui, the Bagua map. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease.